challenge. Scott Dixon on his way to the checkered flag. 29th different winner in 72 IRL events. Scott Dixon.
Right.
And they go by the crash scene one more time, and the checkered flag will be displayed. And Sam pulls alongside to salute the champion. And as we said earlier, it's a 3-year contract.
He cannot catch the speedy Ferran. In the third closest finish in Indianapolis 500 history, Gilles de Ferran gets the win.
Out of 4, 1 turn to go. It will be 3 straight for Roger Penske, but not 3 straight for Castroneves.
For the second time in 3 years, Team Penske goes 1-2. This time it's Gilles de Ferran winning
the lead. A great start, but here comes Al back on the inside. We can set up for another of those side-by-side photo finishes.
Al Jr. is not going to give up that easy. Let's see, though. Now that he pulls up just a little bit, and that's maybe just enough to get him the victory.
And Al is going to win this thing.
Al Unser Jr. did it. This time, the checkered flag will wave along with the yellow.
You see Kanaan pulls up there to congratulate the winner. There's the checkered flag and the yellow flag from Brian Howard.
Looks like that this race is indeed being halted as the red and the checkered flags are being waved. And the SunTrust Indy Challenge is over. Ended early because of rain. They come by the stripe and complete 2.
runs for the checkered flag. And there it is. Career victory number 4 in the IRL. Here we go. They go side by side into 3.
Outside.
Coming for the line. Coming for the flag. Hornish has got him by nose, but Ferran now pushes ahead. Castroneves looking for his 4th career win. And now he can almost roll to that finish. Kanaan can't do it. He can't catch him. Castroneves takes the win.
But it won't play. Look at this on the high side. He won't have a chance now.
No.
A good move, a good block there by Castroneves. And Helio will take his 2nd win of the feature, or the season, by just an eyelash.
Rutherford and the checkered flags will wave as de Ferran wins in his final race of his career. He, of course, won the Indianapolis 500 this year.
He's going to push him high, try and keep him high.
Oh, this one is going to be tight. They come to the finish line. Hornish has done it. Hornish beats Castroneves in his 12th career